Vincent Regani here with Flat Screen Clean. Okay, today I'm going to do a little demo here with Flat Screen Clean, my competitor, Screen Mom, and my other competitor, Whoosh. So what I've done is I already put permanent marker here on a whiteboard. So as we know, permanent marker is not supposed to go on whiteboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray Whoosh on there, and I'm going to see if I can remove the permanent marker with Whoosh, and I'm really pressing really hard. Okay, so as you can see, the permanent marker doesn't come off with Whoosh. So now I'm going to go to Screen Mom, another major competitor of ours. Let me see if Screen Mom will remove this middle line. And as you can see, I'm really pressing really hard. Okay. So now that's not removing. So now, Flat Screen Clean. On the third line. And as you can see, Flat Screen Clean is removing the third line. But wait, Flat Screen Clean is also going to remove this line and this line. Hey, bud. It's my watchdog. One more line to remove with Flat Screen Clean. And as you can see, Flat Screen Clean not only removed its line, but it removed Whoosh's line and removed Screen Mom's line. So if you like what you see, order now at flatscreenclean.com. Thank you.